All right. So today we come into the bathroom because the children saying that they sink is stopped up. So let's just see what we want to do here. Oh boy. Come here. What happened with the sink?
Well, we didn't know. It's just Daddy who told us that we can't use this.
I'm aware, but how did the sink get stopped up? Take your time out, wait.
I didn't do it.
How did it get stopped up? Oh, well, you may need to clean the sink. Maybe the sink is mad because you're not cleaning it.
Sure is.
Sure is. What you really need. You need some Clorox.
Can I wash it? Can you tell me now to do it?
You need to get all back here.
Hey, Ray, you need to get this. Can I wash it? Get it quick. Put it on my desk. Can I wash it?
Tatum, Raiden, move. So what you want to do is you want to clean this whole sink and back here. Your sink is probably mad because you guys are not taking care of it. What you think? Hopefully it'll work. Go for it. Clean it up good. Okay. Okay, you cleaned. Yep, you cleaned the back. That looks pretty. So you know you had to clean your handles. Get all that up in there. You shouldn't be seeing any stuff. You gotta make the sink feel happy.
Like this?
If you make the sink feel happy, she will work for you. But if she don't, that means that you guys have...
She will be mad.
She will be mad, Tatum. But that means that you guys have put something in the sink. And you have hurt her feelings. And she like, I'm not finna work for you today.
Well, I'm not the one who did it.
Well, no, but... Well, let me tell you something. When stuff happens, there's a lot of people that don't want it to be them. Oh, it wasn't me. I'm innocent. I ain't do it. But 9 times out of 10, you probably were the culprit. You probably got paper in this thing. You probably got newspaper. You probably got toys.
Toys cannot fit.
They can't fit. Well, let's see if it works. Oh, Jesus.
Turn on.
Let's see if it works. Oh, well, she said, well, you can clean me all day.
It will go down already.
Yeah, it'll go down, but it's something in there that's making her mad. Now we're going to try an old remedy, okay?
What does that mean?
I'm going to show you in a minute. Leave the water lamp before you break her again. All right, get out the way. It's hot. Move. All right, so this is what you do.
Big people.
We're gonna put this in. We're gonna put in some good old fashioned. Look, children, it's a science experiment. You get your
baking soda.
Your baking soda with your good old fashioned white vinegar, and let's pour it in. Head back, tape. Hot.
Wait, let me go see. Whoa. Yes.
That sucks. Did anything happen?
No.
Not a darn thing.
Yes, it did. Look.
Because the sink was stopped up. I mean.
Jay, look on the phone.
Wait.
Is it the fish?
I don't think it did good. Because why would the sink be stopped up, people?
Oh. Was it a fish?
Who put the clog in the sink?
Was it a fish? Maybe it was a fish in the sink. That's what I said.
So since that water, oh my God, how could we have put the water in the sink and the sink stopper was stopped up? Oh my goodness, it just defeated the purpose. But I found something. I found something in the back. Hello, Carmel. We found this. We found this. Come on, Jada. This may work. Get on down up in there, babe.
You see? It's the some grease in there.
Stay right there.
Yeah, that's not me. That's some long hair. That's a long hair one.
Okay, this stinks so hideously.
Mama.
There's so much gunk. What is this? What is this?
Oh, from the sewer.
From the sewer? At least we can get the bulk of it, whatever that crap. What is that?
Oh, JacQ, sure to be back all the damn time.
It's literally like they put mud in the darn sink. You did it, honey. So we had to clean the sink out, get that nasty mess, throw that in the garbage. And so, should we put some vinegar in there? So it can, yeah. Can you shine so we can see what the sink look like in the inside?
Do that.
Like, can you shine your light so I can? Honey, we're gonna have to get you with your angling. Come get up in there. Go on in there. Don't be scared of it. Now we're gonna put this vinegar back up in there. Such a brilliant job. Children, look, Daddy did it.
Where?
Let's see. Let's do the test. Here we go.
No! Nobody here. Nobody in here.
Praise a Master Jesus.